Recording. Yeah. Today concept already methods of testing also finished, right? There are three methods of
Yes.
testing. One is black box testing, white box testing, and gray box testing, and HDLC. Both finished, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Today concept
In
is
our demo class. Yeah.
yeah. Today concept is levels of testing. There are five levels of testing available in testing. One is unit level testing.
Mm-hmm.
Second one is module level testing. Third one is integration level testing. Fourth one is system level testing. Sixth one, fifth one, user acceptance level testing. There are five levels of testing available in testing. One is unit level testing. Second one is module level testing. Third one is integration level testing. Fourth one, system level testing. Fifth one, user acceptance level testing. Only definitions, it is a very, very small definitions only. But whenever you are facing the interview, that time interviews may ask you this type of questions. So, first of all, we will discuss levels of first one, unit level testing. Unit.
Okay.
Unit is nothing but it is a smallest part of the application. Unit is nothing but it is a smallest part of the application. If one perform testing only on the unit 2, then that level of testing is known as unit level testing. If it is application properly working, compulsory each and every unit should work fine. Then only the total application will work fine. So developers will only concentrate only on the unit. Unit is nothing but it is a structural part of the application. Unit is nothing but it is a structural part of the application. Who will concentrate on structural part?
Mm-hmm.
Who will concentrate on structural part? Already I told you.
Oh, okay. You asked structural part.
Hmm.
Designing by
Developers.
developers.
Always, if it is structural part, they will concentrate only on structural part. If one perform testing only on the unit 2, then that level of testing is known as unit level testing. This unit level testing done by developers. Always they will concentrate only on the structural part of the application. Test engineers only concentrate only on the functional part of the application. Unity belongs to structural part. So unit level testing done by developers or whitewash testers. Always they will concentrate only on the structural part of the application. They will concentrate only on the structural part of the application. Unities belongs to structural part. So unit level testing done by developers or white box testers. Only definition, it is a small definition. Unity is nothing but it is the smallest part of the application. If one perform testing only on the unit, then that level of testing is known as unit level testing. Unit level testing done by developers or white box testers.
So, for example, what is structural part? For
Structural
example.
part I will tell you.
Okay.
Hmm. For example, I am taking one application. In this application,
Mm-hmm.
I am taking 10 in the place of value 1. I am taking 20 in the place of value 2. I am clicking on add button. It is showing 30. How it is showing 30? Why it is showing 30? Why? I'm taken 10 in the place of value 1. I taken 20 in the place of value 2. Whenever I am clicking on
Yeah,
add
got you.
button, it is showing 30. Why it is showing 30?
It is the correct result.
Oh,
Adding
okay.
it. Anything.
I'm taking 10 in the place of value 1, 10. I'm taking 20 in the place of value 2, 20. I'm clicking on add button. How add button? No. I entered to this 10, no, I entered to 20.
Because it is programmed that way.
That means whatever you are getting, we are entering 10 in the place
Uh-huh.
of value 1, 10. We are entering 20 in the place of value 2, 20. I'm clicking on add button, it is showing 30. This is called functional part. This is called functional part. But inside that buttons, that functionality is having connections. That connections is called interfaces. Interfaces. These interfaces we can't get from outside of the application. Okay, just they are built in inside. So that is called structural part. And taking 10 and taking 20, if you click on add button, it is showing 30. If you click on sub button, it is 10 minus 10. So why it is showing inside interfaces are working? That's the reason it is showing some result. So each and every interface, that means they are totally developers will concentrate only on the structural part of the application. The interfaces belongs to which part?
Structural part.
Structural part. Whenever you are working with any application, any software company, any project, developers always will concentrate only on the structural part. Testers will concentrate only on the functional part of the application. So if one perform testing only on the structural part of the application, then the type of testing is known as unit level testing. Unit is nothing but it is the smallest part of the application. If one perform testing only on the unit 2, then that level of testing is known as unit level testing. Unit level testing done by developers or white box testers. Always they will concentrate only on the structural part of the application. That means coding. They will concentrate always coding part. Okay. Always testing
Coding.
units will concentrate only functional part. Just like what is functional part? I'm taking 10 in the place of value 1. I'm taking 20 in the place of value 2. If I click on run, result is 30 showing or not. This is my intention. I don't want who is inside, who is calculating. I don't want. Just always I will concentrate only on the functional part of the application. First one, unit level testing. Unit is
Yeah.
nothing but it is the smallest part of the application. If one perform testing only on the unit 2, then that level of testing is known as unit level testing. This unit level testing done by
Developers.
developers
Developers.
are
Testers.
mm, developers are
Programmer.
programmers are white box testers.
Okay,
Developers
white
are
box
white
testers.
box testers. And the next one, module level testing. Module is nothing but it is a complete task. A module is nothing but it is a complete task. For example, you are working with one software company. They will divide the whole project into some modules. They will divide the whole project into some modules. This is called high level designing. This high level
High
designing done
level.
by
Uh,
chief architect, CA,
Chief
chief
architect.
architect. And one module divided into some sub modules. That is called low level design.
Done by test lead.
Technical lead, technical lead,
Oh,
TL, technical lead. High level design done by chief architect and low level design done by technical lead. Okay.
technical lead.
Yes. Okay. This is one module. This is one module. If one perform testing only on the module, then that level of testing is known as module level testing. For example, I am taking one application. In the in this application, we have 5 modules: add button, add module, sub module, null button, null module, div module, clear module. Right. Okay. I am taking 10 in the place of value 1. I am taking 20 in the place of value 2. Only I have only 2 buttons in the application. Is it module?
Which one?
Value 1 and value 2. I have only two functionalities in the application. Is it module or not? Module is nothing but it should be a complete task.
Yeah, module is a complete task.
Hmm. I
And they are
have
sub-modules.
I have only value 1 and value 2. Is this module or not?
They are.
No?
They are modules.
No. Why? Because
No?
I can take module is nothing but it should be a complete task. We need to perform some scope. We need to perform some actions. There is scope, but here is any scope. I can take 10 in the place of value 1. I can take 20 in the place of value 2. But I can't do anything. Simply I can take and I can sit. But is there any chance to perform any actions?
No, no, no.
No. Okay. Now I am giving value 1, value 2 result. A result. Value 1, value 2 result. Is this module?
No.
Why?
Because it is a module is a set of tasks, and we've just entered value 1 and value 2, but we are not getting any results
Hmm.
until we press add button.
Okay, right. I am giving now I am giving value 1, value 2 result add button. Is this module? Value 1, value
It
2
is
result.
module
Why?
because it is a complete set of tasks. If you put one value, two values, 1 and 2, and if you press add button, it will give a result.
Yes. Okay.
And
Compulsory
I
there,
think,
there is a scope, there is a chance to perform any task. Okay.
yeah,
I can take 10 in the place of value 1. I can take 20 in the place of value 2. I can click on add button. It is showing result 30 or not. We can check it. So it is a module. What is a one module? So a module is nothing but a group of functionalities perform a major task is known as module. Okay. Not only single functionality. Here, if it is module, then value 1, value 2, result add both functionalities. Both it is a combination of four functionalities. Okay, yeah, a module is nothing but
yeah,
a group of functionalities perform a major task is known as module. Module is nothing but it is a complete task. Compulsory there is a chance to perform testing, there is a
from any
scope
task.
to
Yeah,
perform testing. Is there, if it is there is no scope to perform testing, that is not at all module. Compulsory there is a scope of testing, there is compulsory it should be a scope of testing. For example, ఇప్పుడు for example I have value 1, value 2, result add button. So I can take 10 in the place of value 1, I can take 20 in the place of value 2. If I click on add button, it is showing 30 or not. I can check. Minimum I
yeah,
can
we can
perform any
perform the
action.
task.
Yes, minimum I can perform
Yeah,
any task. But if I give, for example, I am giving only value 1, value 2 add button. Is it module?
no,
Why?
because we cannot get the result.
There is no result. I can take 10, no, I can take 20, I click on add button. What is coming, what is not coming, I don't know. So that is not at all
Yeah,
module. So module is nothing but it should be a complete task. Okay. There is scope of perform
yeah,
any testing. So is this, for example, I'm giving value 1, value 2 result to add, that is a module. Okay. Module is nothing but it is a combination of group of functionalities. It is a combination of group of functionalities. Value 1, value 2,
function.
result add. Four buttons performing a major task, that is called module. Yeah, for example, whenever you are working with any software company, wherever you go, first, if it is
Mhm.
software company, they will divide the whole project into some modules. They will divide the whole project into some modules. Each and every module we have some sub modules. We will perform testing only on
Okay,
this module. Each and every module,
okay,
team size, here four test engineers will be there. Here five in this module. In this module six, four. Like each and every software company, each and every team size is four or five. Four or five.
fine.
So in this module we have four members. Each and every team having one team lead. Each and every team having one team lead. TL means team lead.
Team leader.
Total project contains one lead, that is project lead. Yes, I'm working in this module or that module, any module. We have four modules. Currently,
So,
I'm
so,
working with. Uh,
Mr. Akhil,
mm,
Akhil sir. So
mm,
does that mean,
mm.
like, if you are working on a software, if you're working on a website, and if the project lead divides the like the whole project into like four modules, so
Mm.
each module has
Team
four
lead.
testers, you mean? Is that correct?
No, no,
So
no.
each
Four
module
team
has
leads.
one tester.
No, 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 no. Each and every module
Team.
having minimum 4 to 7 members, team members, and one team lead.
Okay.
So each and every module, each and every team having nearly four, minimum four, maximum seven team members will be there. Okay,
Okay.
and one team lead will be there. Each and every module nearly, each and every project nearly seven to sorry, each and every project nearly contains nearly 4 to 5 modules, 6 modules based on the project type.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
Okay. For example, you have yahoo.com.
Okay.
So in that website, so how many, for example, how many people could be there working for that website? I mean, that particular website to make that, do the
Yeah.
testing and designing.
No, no, no. We can't say like that. We can't say. For example, Yahoo is a product. It is not a project. It is a product. Product means lifelong maintenance will be there. We can't say. So how many modules? So for example, if it is any project, that is the one of the product. So product means customer module and company module and user module. Compulsory three modules will be there. So we are working in only customer module. Only customer information only we can know.
Okay.
Okay. For example, I'm talking about module level testing. Module means whenever you are working with any software company, always we will perform only module level testing. Module is nothing but a group of functionalities perform a major task is known as module. A group of functionalities perform a major task is known as module.
Major task.
Yes. For example, I already we discussed calculator application. In this application, we have four functionalities. One is value one, value two, result add functionalities. These four functionalities performing major task that is called module. Module is nothing but it should be a complete task. Then only we can say module. So only simple definition.
Uh,
Module level testing is nothing but if one perform testing only on the module, then that level of testing is known as module level testing. This module level testing done by test engineers or black box testers. Unit level testing done by
uh,
developers. Module level testing done by testers.
testers.
Right. Next. So second one is finished. Third one, integration level testing. Third one, integration level testing.
Okay.
Integration level testing. What do you mean by integration level testing? While integrating the modules, developers use interfaces. While integrating the modules, developers use interfaces. While integrating, for example, I have four modules. I have four modules. While integrating the modules, developers use interfaces. Interfaces means just like connector, or simply we can say interface is something created between two somethings. Interface is something created between two somethings. Interface is something created between two something. Okay. While integrating the modules, developers use interfaces. These are the modules. We are using interfaces. While integrating the modules, developers use interfaces. Each and every interface is properly working or not, we are doing testing. That's why that is called integration level testing. This integration level testing done by developers. In the definition only we can get it. While integrating the modules, developers use interfaces. Each and every interface is properly working or not, we are doing testing. That's why that is called integration level testing. That's why that is called integration level testing. While integrating the modules, developers use interfaces. Each and every interface is properly working.
Interfaces.
Interface. Interface means just like it is a connector, or simply we can say another definition. Interface is something created between two somethings. Interface is something created between two somethings. Created between
Created between.
two somethings, whatever it is. So interface is
Okay.
something created between two somethings. Interface is something created between two somethings. While integrating the modules,
Between two
developers use
substances.
interfaces. While integrating the modules, developers use interfaces. Each and every interface is
Use
properly
interfaces.
each and every interface is properly working or not. They are doing testing. That's why that is called integration level testing. While integrating the modules, developers use interfaces. Each and every interface is properly working or not, they are doing testing. That's why that is called integration level testing. This integration level
Integration
testing
level testing.
done by
Testers.
no, developers.
Or done by developers.
Yeah, already I told you now. While integrating the modules, developers use interfaces. So in the
Okay.
definition only.
And we check the interface. The testers check the interfaces, isn't it?
Huh? Ask me once again.
So developer.
Hmm.
Okay. Developer integrating modules. Developer uses interface.
Hmm.
So it is done by developers,
Hmm.
and tester checks the interfaces. Is that correct?
No. Just this task done by developers only. Just for knowledge we are discussing.
Okay.
Just for knowledge. Now here is while integrating the modules, developers use interfaces. Each and every interface is properly working or not. We are doing testing. So no. Developers will do testing. While integrating the modules, developers use interfaces. Each and every interface is properly working or not. They are doing testing. Not test engineers. They are doing testing. So if you
Okay.
just in the application we have number of interfaces, each and every interface is properly working or not, they are doing testing. So that is interfaces is nothing but it is a structural part. From outside
Okay.
we can't get that structural part or interfaces. So interfaces belongs
Mhm.
to structural part. Okay, if it is structural part, always developer will concentrate on the developers only perform testing on the application. Okay, if it is
Okay.
functional part,
Okay.
test engineers will do. If it is structural part, developers only will
It's
only do
developers only.
that structural
Okay.
part of testing. So integration level means while integrating the modules, each and every interface is properly working or not, they are doing testing. So this type of testing is known as integration level testing. This integration level testing done by developers.
Developers. Mhm.
Okay. While integrating the module,
Okay.
developers use four types of approaches. While integrating the modules, developers use four types of approaches. One is top-down approach.
Mhm.
Second one is bottom-up approach. Third one, hybrid approach. Fourth one, big bang approach.
Mhm. Big Bang.
While integrating the modules, developers use four types of approaches. One is top-down approach, second one is bottom-up approach, third one is hybrid approach, fourth one is big bang approach. For example, in the market, we have number of different types of mentalities, different mentality people will be there. That means different customers will be there in the market. Okay. First of all, I am the one customer, sir. I am the one customer. Okay, I'm going to software company. I'm saying my requirements. Sir, I want two buttons in the applications. And
Okay.
application name should be A. Application name should be A. But I can't say that. I can't say that application. Already I told you I want two buttons in the application. Application should be name is A. But right now I can't say what are the buttons name. I have an application.
Yeah.
Name should be A. I want two buttons in the application. But now currently I can't say what are the buttons names. In that situation,
Okay.
first of all, they will develop whole structure. First of all, they will develop whole structure. That is called parent module. That is called parent module. After that, they will develop child modules. So, first of all, they will develop a parent module. After that, they will develop child module. So, this is called top-down approach. This is called top-down
Top.
approach. Why is following this approach? Based on the customer requirements only. Why? Because customer saying parent requirements very clearly. He is not saying child class requirement. He is saying only parent class
Okay.
requirements. He is not saying child class requirements. So first of all, they will develop a parent module. After that, they will develop child modules. So this type of approach is known as top-down approach. This type of approaches is known as top-down approach. First of all, they will develop parent module. After that, they will develop child modules. This type of approaches is known as top-down approach. Top-down approach means first of all, they will develop a parent module. After that, after giving the customer requirements, then only they will develop child models. So based on the customer requirements only, they will choose the approach. They will choose the approach based on the customer requirements
Approach.
only. They will choose the approach. First of all, customer is giving
Okay.
parent module requirements very clearly, and he is not giving child models requirements. So first of all, they will develop parent
Okay.
module. After giving the customer requirement, after giving the child requirements, then they will develop child models. That means first of all, they will develop parent module. After that, they will develop child
Mhm.
module. This type of approaches is known as top-down approach.
Okay.
Based on the customer requirements only, they will choose the approach. Okay. Customer is giving
Okay.
parent module requirements very clearly, but he is not giving
Mhm.
child module requirements not clearly. That's the reason they are developing first of all parent module.
So
Hmm.
who decides the child module? Is that the developer?
One second, ask me.
Um, who decides the child module?
Customer
Like
only. Customer only.
okay.
Customer is giving a parent module requirement very
Only
clearly.
on yeah.
He is not giving child modules requirements. I want two buttons, but that buttons name I can't say right now. Just I want one application. Application should be name is A. He is saying, he is not saying that buttons name. Child modules name is not saying. So that's the reason. First of all, they will develop a parent module. After that, they will develop child modules. This
Okay.
is top-down approach. Here is one interview question. Here is one interview question. While integrating the modules in top-down approach,
Mhm.
if at all any module missing, then that module replaced with a temporary program. The temporary program is known as stub. While integrating the modules in top-down approach, if at all any mandatory module is missing, then that module replaced with a temporary program. That a temporary program is known as stub. While integrating the modules in
Okay.
top-down approach, if at all any module missing, then that module replaced with a temporary program. The temporary program is known as stub. It is very very important concept that is stub.
Okay.
While integrating the modules in top-down approach, if at all any module missing, then that module replaced with a temporary program. The temporary program is known as stub. If it is top-down, we can call stub. If it is top-down, we can call stub. While integrating the modules, if at all, while integrating the modules in top-down approach, if at all any
Any
monitor
module
module is
missing?
missing, then that module replaced with a temporary
A
program.
temporary program called
That
stub.
That temporary program is known as stub.
Stop. Okay.
Next, bottom up approach. Okay, for example, we have one customer is giving only child class requirements. Sir, I want one, but I want one application. In that application I want two buttons. That a buttons name a comma a and b, and application name I can't say. He's giving only child class requirements very clearly, child model requirements very clearly. He is not giving parent model requirements. So that time they will choose bottom up approach. They will choose bottom up
Okay.
approach. First of
Bottom
all, they
up.
will develop child modules. After that, they will develop a parent module. First of all, they will develop a child module. So after that, they will develop a parent module. First of all, they will develop a child module. So after that, they will develop a parent module. So if it is top-down approach, if it is bottom-up approach, output is same. Okay, diagram
Okay.
also same, right?
Same output.
Same output, but they are following different approaches. Based on the customer requirements only, they will follow the approaches. They will follow the approaches. Based on the customer requirements only, they will follow the approaches. Based on the customer requirements. If it is customer saying child requirements very clearly, that time and they will choose bottom up approach.
Parent.
Ba- uh, if it is they are giving only child modules requirement, they are giving very clearly, that time they will follow bottom up approach. If at all customers giving parent module requirements very clearly, that time they will choose top down approach.
Top-down approach.
Yeah, while integrating the modules in bottom up approach also, if at all any module missing, then that module replaced with a temporary program. The temporary program is known as driver. Stub and driver is
Driver.
very important. Stub and driver is very important. Only these two definition purpose we discussed this integration level testing. While integrating the modules in top-down approach, if at all any mandatory module is missing, then that module replaced with a temporary program. That temporary program is known as stub. While integrating the
Stop for
modules in
top-down
hmm,
and driver for bottom-up.
bottom up approach. While integrating the modules in bottom up approach, if at all any mandatory module is missing, then that module replaced with a temporary program. The temporary program is known as driver.
Driver module. Mhm.
Yes, sir. Okay. This is integration level testing. This integration level testing done by whom?
Developers.
Yes. Integration level testing done by developers. Integration level testing done by developers. Right.
Developers.
Next testing. System level testing. Next testing. System level testing. System level testing. System. Whenever you are working with any software company, any project, any product, wherever you go, if it is India, if it is Nepal, if it is Australia, UK, USA, wherever you go, if you are testing engineer, you need to do only some work. What is that work? Okay, after getting job, they will give appointment letter. Okay, and you need to go to office, and they will give one system. They will give one system. In this system, they will install one application. In that application, you need to perform testing. Okay, wherever you go, if it is India, if it is Australia, UK, Germany, Japan, wherever you go, okay, if it is software company, if you are testing engineer, they will give only one task. They will give one system, and you need to. They will install one application into the they will install one application into
System.
that system. You need to perform some actions on that application. That is only your task wherever you go. Okay, they will give one system. In that
Okay.
system, system, they will install one application. You need to perform testing on the application. Just you need to do only one work. Okay, they will give one system, they will install one application into that system. You need to perform different operations only on that system only. Okay, they will not do, they will not give any task. This is only one your task, this is only your task. They will install one application into your system. You need to perform some actions on the applications. You need to perform different operations only on that system. Okay, this is your task wherever you go. That is, that testing is
Okay.
called system level testing. After installing the application into one environment, we will perform different operations only on the application. We will perform max, we can perform 18 types of testing. Whenever you are working with any software company, max we can perform 18 types of testing. Max we can perform 18 types of testing whenever you are working with any software company. After giving the application, after installing the application into your system, so some each and every software company separately they will maintain admin people and technical people. The technical people will come and they will install the application into your system. So after installing the application, you need to perform some actions on the application. So we can perform different types of testing we will perform. Max, whenever you are working with any software company, max we can perform 18 types of testing we will perform max. So okay, after installing the application into one environment, we will perform 18 types of testing. The type of testing is known as system testing. After installing the application into one environment, we will perform different operations only on that application. We will perform different types of testing we will perform. So that is called system testing. Whenever you are working with any software company, whatever you are doing in software company, that is belongs to system testing only. Whatever you are doing, just you are sitting in your chair and you are sleeping, that is also belongs to system testing. Wherever you go, if it is software company, they will give one computer. In that computer they will install one application. After installing the application, we need to perform different operations only that application. So max, whenever you are working with any software company, we will perform 18 types of testing. Tomorrow I will teach you what are the 18 types, very important types. Whenever you are working with any software company, wherever you go, max we can perform different types of testing we are doing. That's why that is called system testing. Okay, what is do you mean by system testing? Only single line definition only. What is system testing? After installing the application into one environment, we will perform different types of testing. That's why that is called
Different
system
type of
testing.
testing.
After
Okay.
installing the application into environment, we will perform different types of testing. That's why that is called system testing. Okay, whenever you are
Okay.
working with any software company, whatever you are doing in the software company, that is belongs to
System.
system testing only. Okay, whenever you are
Yeah.
working with any software company, they will give only one task. They will install one application into one computer. We need to perform different
System.
operations only that system, only on that application. So that is called system level testing. Next, fifth type of testing, fifth level of testing, user acceptance level testing.
User acceptance level testing.
User acceptance level testing. Same system testing only, same system testing only. User presence or customer presence we are doing. That's why that is called user acceptance testing. Okay, we are doing same system
Uh,
testing, but presence of the user, presence of the customer, presence of the client we are doing. That's why that is called user acceptance testing. User means customer or client or customer or client
Clients.
or user. User presence we are doing testing. That's why that is called user acceptance testing. Same system testing wherever you go, max we can do system testing only. Always we will do system testing only. System testing means they will not give any other task. Just they will install one application into one computer. They will give that computer,
Computer.
we need to perform some actions, we need to test the application only. Okay, same
Yeah.
testing only. presence of the user we are doing, presence of the customer we are doing, presence of the client we are doing. That's why that is called user acceptance testing. Same system testing, but we are doing in presence of the customer.
In front of customer.
Mm.
Okay.
In
One
front of
question.
customer. In
Does
front
the
of customer.
customer, yeah, does the customer need to have knowledge of testing in this case?
No, 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 no. Already he gave one requirements. Sir, I want 4 buttons in the application. Each and one button should
Okay.
work fine. Already he gave requirements. He has some experience. He has some knowledge. Then only he can give the requirements. For example, I am the
Requirement.
person. I have one. I want one software, but I don't know. I don't know anything. I am the 10th class pass. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. What is application? What is software? I don't know. Okay, I will
Uh-huh.
maintain technical people. I will maintain managers. I will maintain corresponding people. I will maintain my management people. So they will take care. No, I'm the person. I don't have any knowledge, but I
Okay.
have money. I can maintain the persons. I can maintain the
No,
technical
that's
people.
what I mean. Yeah.
Customer already he gave requirements. Okay,
Some
customer already
requirement.
gave requirements. Okay, what is the requirements? Okay, he want 2 buttons in the application. Each and every button should work fine. That is the customer requirements. Based on the customer requirements, the application is properly working or not. So we need to test. In front of the user we will do testing. That's why that is called user acceptance testing. In front of user means,
Okay.
for example, I'm doing this Tata application. I'm doing Tata project. So Tata person will not only Ratan Tata will not come to my place. Okay.
No, no,
Whatever I'm saying. So for example, Ratan
okay.
Tata, you know Ratan Tata.
I've heard about him. Yeah.
He's the one of the crore, what millionaire in the India.
Billionaire in the world. Yeah.
So I'm doing Tata project. So Tata, Ratan Tata will not come to my company. That representatives, management people, and that people will come and they will check. So customer,
Okay.
whenever the customer, in front of customer, we will do testing. So that's why that is called user acceptance testing.
Acceptance level.
There are 2 types of testing in user acceptance testing. One is alpha testing. Second one is beta testing. One is alpha testing, second
Alpha
one is
testing.
beta testing. Same, both are user acceptance testings. Means presence of the user we are doing.
Mhm.
Presence of the user we are doing. That's why that is called user acceptance testing. Alpha testing is a user acceptance testing and beta testing also user acceptance
User
testing.
acceptance.
Presence of the user we are doing testing. That's why that is called user acceptance testing. If it is alpha testing, our company, our people, our staff
Mhm.
will do testing. Same presence of the user do testing. That's why that is called alpha testing. Our company, our staff,
Okay.
that is called alpha testing. Beta testing means third party people in the third party location, they are doing testing. Presence of the user only, that is called beta testing. Now you need to tell
Okay.
what is the advantages of alpha testing, what is the disadvantages of beta testing.
Alpha testing, because we have our own people, our own system.
Hmm.
So less chance of finding the defects and
Hmm.
things
Hmm.
like that.
If it is
And
police,
beta
if it,
testing is
if
like
you
we
are
have
police, if you are police, you are working in India, you will like as a police. If you are working in Nepal, you will work as a police. If you are working in Pakistan, you work as a police. You are if you are in USA, you work as a police. I'm the tester. If it is
Mhm.
my company, it is others company. If it is another company, I don't want. I'm the tester. That's my duty. I need to test the application. No, 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 no. That's not correct.
Okay.
I'm the tester. If it is my, frankly, each and every software company, they are recruiting test engineers. Why they are recruiting in my company? Developers who will develop the application. Sometimes they will do some mistakes. You need to find out. You need to correct it. That's your job. Okay, test engineers, nothing but this is the company management people. Test engineers is nothing but it is the company management people. They are developers. They are working. They are developing some application. So they will do some mistakes. So if they are doing mistakes in future, our company uh, name will go. Name will spoil. That's the reason each and every software company they are separately maintaining one department, that is testing department. Okay, if it is our
Okay.
company, if they are developed by our developers, compulsory we need to concentrate on quality. Why? Because they are developers. There are some chance they can do mistakes. That's the reason they are
Mm-hmm.
software company people recruited, and we are doing job. What is our job? Developers, they are doing any mistakes or not, we need to check out. This is our task. If it is our company, if it is third party company, if it is any company, we need to do checking, we need to do testing.
Testing.
Hmm. So if it is alpha testing means our company, our people, they are doing testing in front
Okay.
of user, that is called alpha testing.
Mm-hmm.
Beta testing means third party people. Third party people means not our company people, not client or user side people or customer side people. Third party people, they are doing testing. That is called beta testing. What is the advantages of alpha testing? What is the disadvantages of beta testing? Right now, tell me. Can I tell?
Yeah, please. Sorry.
If it is alpha testing, our company, our people, they are doing in front of user. Okay.
Yes.
If at
Uh-huh.
all any defect found, then there is a chance of rectifying immediately. In our company, developers will be there, testers will be there, management people will be there. If at all any defect found, then there is a chance of rectifying immediately.
Immediately, easily. Yeah.
Yes. If it is third party company, means that is not our company, that is not customer company, third party people. So, for example, I'm working in, for example, the ICIC Bank people, they are developing one project, that is X project they are developing. But there is no
Mm-hmm.
test engineers to test the project. There is no test engineers to test the project. In that situation, they will give the project to third party people. For example, in Hyderabad city or wherever you go, App Labs is the one of the third party company. They will give to that project. They will give to App Labs. They will do only develop.
Uh-huh.
They will do only testing. They will not do any developing. So they will test the application. If at all any defect found, compulsory 1 second they will send to Infosys.
Mm-hmm.
So in the top labs people, in that company people, whenever you are there, whenever they are doing testing, if at all any defect found, then that is a bad name for the company. All the company people, they are talk, oh, Infosys people recently developed one project, the project is not working fine, so that's not a good company. Infosys, it is not a good company, they will say. So that is a bad name for the company. That's the reason none of the people not using, not encouraging beta testing. All the companies, they are encouraging only alpha testing only.
Alpha testing.
Alpha
Yeah.
testing means,
Saves time, saves money.
and that is not only money and time. That is a name. Name will go. Company name.
Yeah.
Company name is very very important. Money, if it is money going and money loss, it is not matter. But if it is loss, the company name, so entire will be go. So that's the reason each and every software company, they will maintain, they will manage, they will do only alpha testing only. Alpha testing means in our company, in our people, they will do testing in front of user, that is called alpha testing. Beta testing is nothing but third party people, they will do testing in third party location. If at all defect found, then there is no chance of rectifying immediately. Why? Because that is the third party company, they will perform only testing only, they will not do any developing work. So in that situation, once again they need to develop, they need to send the application to that Infosys company. So beta testing,
Okay.
none of the people, none of the companies not encouraging beta testing right now. All the companies
So
they are
does this
encouraging.
beta test
Hmm.
Does this beta test still exist, or is we
No,
don't
no,
do
right now,
anymore?
no. None of the people not encouraging. Yagiraj in Hyderabad city, listen Hyderabad. Have you listened Hyderabad?
No,
Hyderabad.
I haven't been there, but I've heard a lot about Hyderabad and Bangalore.
You heard or not?
Yeah, I have heard about Bangalore and Hyderabad. Like
Uh,
it's an
in
IT
Hy-
city.
yeah, it is one of the city. In Hyderabad city, we have 2,000 3,000 plus companies. In Hyderabad city, we have
Uh-huh.
3,000 plus software companies, but in Hyderabad city, we have only two third party companies.
Okay.
Okay, you can get it. Okay, people are
Yeah.
encouraging the beta testing or not now?
No, alpha testing is good. It's
Hmm.
better.
Only two companies. It is where rare situation they will give to third party people. Rare situation. It will happen rare. If it
Mhm.
is software company, they will do proper planning. They will do proper schedule. They will do proper planning. Then only whenever they are accepting the particular project, they will do proper planning. They will do proper scheduling. Then only they will do accept the project. But this is the rare situations. We can't say that the situation will happen or not. We can't say, but so rare situation only they will do beta testing.
Okay.
Okay, this is levels of testing. There are 5 levels of testing: unit level testing, module level testing, integration
Module
level
level,
testing, system level testing, user acceptance level testing.
level testing.
Levels of testing is finished. Next class we will discuss types of testing. Nearly only one class, but long class. It will take nearly 1.5 to 2 hours. That is levels of testing. Whenever you are working with any software company, we will do max 18 types of testing. We will do. How many types? 18. 18
18.
types.
Mhm.
18 types of testing we will do. Wherever you go, if it is small company, big company, wherever you go, if you are working with any application, max we can perform 18 types of testing. That 18 types of testing I will explain you later next class. And Sunday you will be free
Next.
or busy?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I'm busy tomorrow.
When will you
I can
attend Malik?
take class
Malik next
next
class is should be Thursday.
Thursday. Yeah, Thursday.
Okay, if it is if it is any possible, if it is any middle of the week, if you get time, just call me or message me. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, I'll definitely do. I'll
Okay.
definitely do.
Wait.
And
Uh,
one question I before you go.
uh,
So, this defect tracking tool.
yes, bug tracking tool.
Yeah, like HPQC, SD, HPALM.
I
Do I
will.
have to buy them?
No need, no need, no need. I will give trial version. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to buy, it will take nearly
All
2 to
right.
3 lakhs. Why you bear? No need, na. Just practice
Yeah, that's what
once.
I heard. Like,
No need. I will give trial version. I have trial version. I have institute in Hyderabad. I have one institute in Hyderabad. Already I bought. I will send you,
uh
and you can use that only. That is the trial version. No need to worry. I will send you.
okay.
Hmm.
That's funny. So you're gonna give me some real time practice as well,
Yes,
real time
everything,
practice
everything, sir. No
testing.
need to worry.
Okay.
I will teach you
Yeah,
what it is and all,
Kriti.
and I will give you my system. You can practice. I will give you 10 to 15 days. Your wish.
Okay.
And if you want, I can install in your
Goodness.
computer also. But your Macs, you will use Windows 8, Mac, so it will not support you. Up to Windows 7, it will support.
Okay.
Okay, right. Now I will send you recorded file and notes in Skype. Okay.
Yeah, please.
Yes. Happy weekend, friend. Tomorrow we don't have any class.
Thank you.
Once again, we have
Yeah,
class on Thursday.
sir, Akhil sir,
Tell me. Yeah.
I've sent you the money.
Uh,
I've already sent you the money. You will receive it by I don't know how many days or
Once you
hours, but I've already
after
sent
getting
you.
money, I
Okay.
will inform you and do one thing. Just
Okay.
keep a mail on WhatsApp.
In WhatsApp.
Yes, my WhatsApp number is plus 91 94405929994. This is my WhatsApp number.
Okay, I'll
Okay.
save it.
If you have any problem, if you have any doubt,
Okay.
just give me a message. Okay.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
Yagraj. Have
I'll
a
do
nice
that.
day. Take care. Happy weekend. And
Thanks, Akhil
class
sir.
on
You
Thursday.
too.
I will send you recorded file. Just wait 10 minutes. I will connect the file. I will send to you. Okay.
Okay, definitely. Yeah, no
Thank
problem.
you.